Oh my God. Okay, guys. So what up, man? This is this trip to the thrift video is gonna be all the stuff that I couldn't show off in yesterday's video, the one I did with Puma, because I didn't want any competing brands up in the vid.
The Pistons are smoking now!
But peep what Kinky just pulled off the rack. The Phoenix Suns champion little warm-up polo. This thing is so hard. It actually is sad that I couldn't show this off, because this like gear is actually what Isaiah Thomas rocked with the kicks, because Champion was sponsoring the NBA. Dude, also peep these finds, bro. So we have something crazy right here. Boom, the Tommy for your mommy clear backpack and the Polo Sport by Ralph Lauren heavy knit sweater. I think this is actually bootleg, but it is dumb dope regardless. Oh my gosh,
bro.
Damn. Okay, yo, this is more dumb lit right now. We got the LeBron James Irish, that is his high school, St. Mary's, I do believe. Super sick LeBron James 2003 Nike Air. See guys, it's unfortunate that I couldn't put all this in yesterday's video, but you guys know what time it is, man. Y'all know what time it is. What else you got that's not Puma, bro?
Got a little Reebok piece here.
Woo, man. The evergreen color scheme. Hey, this thing is super dope, man. It's like the ocean, snow-capped mountains, and green forests of the PNW.
Exactly.
Jeez, what are these? Oh my God. All right, man, hopefully these are my size. These shorts are crazy. This is like the vibe I really want to go for. They got the purple, the red, the blue. Oh my gosh, dude. Okay, so we got pieces up in here, man. Pieces on pieces. Got the Looney Tunes. Nice little Tweety embroidered shirt right there. These are size XL, so they'll probably fit dumb big, but they have the two colors of the kick, the red and blue with the perp. Beautiful. Yo, why does the material feel like this? This is the most sus ass material.
Trash bag, bro.
This is like, yeah, high quality trash bag. This is like that Glad trash bag.
Bro, that's a hefty.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, look at that. Another one, man. That LA starter that goes harder. Jeez. Attention to detail with the embroidery on the sleeve that says Duchess.
Beautiful.
Dude, so sick, dude. Come on, man. Bring it up top. Nice.
Holy shit, bro.
Dude, holy. See, this is another piece that, due to brand restrictions, would snap with these kicks, dude. Yeah. This shit's just like dumb limiting sometimes when you work with these brands, but oh man, that jacket is sick. So yeah, yesterday's video is like how to style stuff with these shoes with the severe handicap stylistically, but we still pulled it off though, right?
Up trippin', he is absolutely wet in this tie-dye fit. He's smiling, he's happy, and he is stunning.
Got it.
Words of wisdom from Paul Cantu as he exits the premises. What is that? Oh, the bust down, Tatiana.
Why'd you put it back? That's my favorite dinosaur, bro.
My fault.
That Saurus. Chill out. Hey man, beautiful. They also got that little Playboy Essential, size large, made in the United States of America.
Oh my God.
Old school. I really want this to go. That saucing like a dolphin tee, approaching with caution. It looks like they're just like swimming through a shoal of fish eggs. Hey, what's the fish eggs called they put on the sushi?
Fuck.
You know it.
Fuck, I knew it. I can't remember.
Well, remember.
I can't. Hold on, let me Google.
Okay.
Okay.
Bet.
I think, I'm pretty sure it's Masago.
Yes, that works. Dude, this thing goes. It looks like those like parachutes we used to play with in gym class. You remember that? And then one kid would get trapped under and usually like suffocate.
Yeah. What?
Show the people what we are.
Adidas boys?
We do 3 stripes.
Exactly. Tripping.
Oh my God, what the fuck spilled on that? This looks like mitochondrial DNA. Why is it looking that weird? Hey, shout out that boy Grant Hill.
The air ball.
See, this would be another piece that would go with the kicks, but unfortunately, we
Can't do it.
We can't do it, man. We can't do it. I wonder if that will wash out. It's like someone murdered a strawberry on this. Guys, I'm stoking the fire with straight gasoline. What I hate especially, I hate a Goofy especially.
I hate a Goofy especially.
Dude, they have the Mickey Mouse Club vintage polo golf shirt. This is sick. You got Donald with the driver, Mickey over here as the caddy, Mickey as the main attraction, Mickey Clubhouse, Goofy being Goofy. Man, this thing is so sick. You hate a Goofy especially?
I hate a Goofy especially.
I hate a Goofy especially.
Wow. Dude, we're just coming up right now. Dude got that pogo stick tail. Walt Disney World Tigger crew. Killing it. You guys, peep the Polo Bear Custy by Granny. With the intricate glitter line work. She go hard in the puff paint. Holy lemon drop. Check that out, man. Little Tammy for your mommy jacket. This thing has a lot of brownish stains on it. Oh, the lighting in here is so terrible. I literally hate these fluorescent lights. They always are fucking up the colors. But yeah, clean little piece. I'm gonna see if I can remove these stains. Ooh, look at that little detail. Nice.
And then I don't know what number these are.
These are 10s. That boy found the Jordan Cement 4s live in the Thrift. What size are they, bro?
I don't know.
Hold on, man. These are actually like dummy clean. Well,
They're
I mean,
clean.
they're dummy clean for the Thrift, but yo, man, they're still clean silhouette to like work with. Let's see what size they are. They're size 11. Yeah, so this one is missing whatever the fuck the name of this thing is. It's like a little turbine support system. That's what we'll call it. But yeah, size 11. Not actually that bad in terms of the creasing and silhouette. So maybe I'll customize them, do something interesting with them. But yeah, dude. Jordans in the Thrift. What's better?
The dabbing Santas.
Look at my down. Look at my down.
Bro, they go with your fit too, dude.
Hey, you sure right.
Hell no.
Bro.
Hell no.
What?
Hey, we are no ocean light beam. This is a God dream.
Bro, what?
The boy found that I Feel Like Pablo merch. Damn, that's crazy. I mean, there's like no tagging on it, but still. Dumb hard. Hey, it's $2. Can't nobody argue with that. Big facts, man. All right, we coming up today, guys. We coming up today. Speaking of which, look at this, man. ATP Krylon Adidas. I don't know. This might be like from the 70s. Like, look at the Adidas embroidery, and then it has like the whole ribboning down the sleeves. This is actually a crazy piece. Super old looking. It is missing the Adidas pull tab, but you do have the conveniently located paperclip.
Sway.
So tell me this ain't the new wave.
Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I.
It ain't. I love when crew necks are rapping at me. The bees, the tummy, the honey, the Pooh Bear. Ooh, what up, you bad yellow bone? Got that nice little impregnation, boy. I love you, man. I love you. Oh, that's animal abuse. My fault. ASPCA. Oh, bootlegging this bitch. Damn, why does this go harder than actual Tommy pieces? That's the shit that boggles my mind. Why'd you have to do that, bro? You just like shat on my dreams.
Bro, it's a small.
Hey, you can barely even see it, dude. You can barely even see it.
Exactly.
And then at least the tag won't itch you either.
Exactly, bro.
It's a great piece. I just farted. You're gonna smell it, dude, because I got on short shorts.
What?
You're gonna smell it because it's not trapped in my pant leg because I'm wearing short shorts.
Bro, it's strapped in your short shorts.
Like, look at that. I could be butt naked and you guys would not know it.
Tripping.
Bro, what the hell? Look what I just came across, guys. Dude, we're just grail grabbing in this bitch. You got the North Face 500 down jacket. It says Stow right there. A little zipper pocket for narcotics on the mountain. Size medium. This thing appears to be flawless. I said 500. $700. My fault, dude. Velcro on the cufflets. Let's flip and dip. No flaws on the backside. Dude, I'll be looking like an alternate color scheme of the Michelin Man in this guy. Can't wait. So dope.
I let my nuts hang.
What they got, dude?
Bro, they got beads on their seat.
And hella plants.
They got that beaded seat cover.
All right, guys, so we're going to the next spot right now, which is this family thrift center. It actually is not windy here for once, which is amazing. You guys can audibly hear what the fuck I'm trying to tell you guys. So let's go in here and see what's good. Little Kingy just found that Russell Wilson NFL jersey. You guys know I went to UT, but I guess it could be Texas Love, whatever. Found this A&M embroidered jersey, is $8 by Adidas. This shirt is absolutely scrumdiddlyumptious. You got the tie-dye Reese's tee for $1. Yo, these stores are getting very audacious, charging $5 for this plain Jane Nautica tee. They out of there. Trippy. They got the Seattle, Washington tee with Sylvester's list pass. In case you guys don't know, I'm gonna name my first daughter Samantha. It's gonna be Samantha, but spelled with a TH. Samantha. Shout out Sylvester. Yo, why does homie got such a big dome piece on him?
Bro.
What is that?
What?
Bro, I didn't know something could be creepier than a Teletubby, but that thing definitely is. Bro.
What?
It's like Big Bird's deformed son.
Bro, what the fuck?
Oh, it has no mouth. Ugh, I fucking hate looking at that, dude. The thing is creepy. Meanwhile, this guy's top heavy.
What in the world?
You got the Robbins jeans overalls?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, bro. You don't look like a farmer. Hold them up to your body, dude. I wanna paint the picture for the people. There you go. Feast your eyes on this.
Little short.
Hold the straps up to your shoulders, man. Bro. Give them. There you go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Ooh, voice. Fuck yes, dude. I saw homie in the cart. It's my time, baby. It's my time. What I hate especially, bro, I hate a Goofy especially.
I hate a Goofy especially.
And he's brand new with tags. And he's the perfect size. This is the fumble. This is the best day ever. Dude, I'm like dead ass so happy. Yes.
All right, guys. So unfortunately, man, that Goofy was taxed on, guys. They were charging $10 for it. Call me a cheapskate, but I thought the price was $6.56. Bro, they swiftly and quickly flipped Goofy over and were asking $9.59 for my small dead stock Dream plush. So it'd be like that sometimes though. But overall, man, today we got some great deals with the Jordans. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with those yet, considering they are missing their little like turbine like holster support system. And of course the Pablo merch as well, along with all the other finds. But if you guys would like anything you saw in today's video, check out thrift-vintage.com. So my vintage website is linked in the description. And aside from that, man, peace and love. Live the dream, eat that ice cream. We're locked and loaded and are gone.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.